Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. So today is the official first day of fall, and to kick it off I want to start with a fall recipe. So I'm showing you how to make my pumpkin bread. To a bowl you're going to add 1 3/4 cup of white all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to whisk that together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. If you want to see how I make my pumpkin pie spice, I'm going to leave the video link below for you, but all it is a mixture of cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. To another bowl, you're going to add 1 1/2 cup of canned pumpkin puree, and this is just pumpkin, nothing in it. From this can of pumpkin, you're going to have a little bit left over, but it's the exact amount you need to make some pumpkin spice syrup for your pumpkin spice latte. So if you want to see how to make that, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Next, you're going to need 1/2 cup of oil, and I'm using canola oil. You're going to need 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk this until everything is combined. Now I'm going to take this and add it to the dry ingredients and mix it until everything is combined. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a pumpkin bread. If you've never had pumpkin bread before, you have to try this recipe. It's so good. It doesn't taste like pumpkin. You don't even know you're eating pumpkin. Now I'm going to add this to my greased loaf pan, and I use cooking spray to grease the pan. If you've been following me for a while, then you know me, I have to get everything out, so I'm not wasting anything. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 50 minutes, and then you're going to check it. At this point, I know it's not done, but I just want to show you. But because it's getting so brown, I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil, and this will prevent it from getting too brown. And now I'm just going to bake this some more, and I'm baking it for an additional 20 minutes. Now it's finally done, and I'm testing it with my pick so you can see. Once it comes out dry, then you know it's done. I'm going to set this on the counter and let it cool off. Once it cools, then I'm going to cut it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. I just love the color. And I feel like the camera wasn't doing it justice. It was just even prettier in person. And it tasted so good. All the delicious warm flavors of fall. I wish I could share with you guys. By the way, you can freeze this. So if you make a lot and you don't eat it out, just slice it up and portion it off and put it in the freezer. When you're ready to eat it, just take it out and let it thaw out and it will be just as good. Right now the top feels a little bit crispy, but tomorrow it will be soft, so I'll come back and show you what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, so this is what it looks like the next day, and it was almost gone. Oh my goodness, you know when you just make something for the season, you just eat it? So we were eating it, but look at the top, look how soft it is. And I feel like it tastes even better the next day. There are some things that is just better the next day, and this is one of them. And like I said, it's just even prettier in person. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.